Hi everybody and welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to be sharing a little bit with you about the Mary Kay beard oil. So my husband is going to do a little demonstration and give you his thoughts on what he thinks about it, and then I'll be giving you a general overview of all of the amazing things about it. This is a limited edition time. So you're going to want to grab these before they's gone. The reviews are great, and I must say I'll let my husband tell you for himself what he thinks, but it smells absolutely amazing, you guys. So this is my husband Jerry. He's going to be demonstrating the beard oil for you today. So basically, a little information about this is it's a leave-in conditioner for beards and any other facial hair. It's going to soften and shine, and it has an amazing scent of peppermint and clary sage, which is a really nice combination together. You just put a few drops and rub it in, and it's going to nourish and moisturize the beard and the skin below it, which in the long run is going to help reduce drying, itchiness, and flaking. So it is really something you're going to want to grab before it's gone because it's limited edition. And as you can see, he likes the smell.
All right. I tried it out for the first time tonight. It smells really good. Definitely softens the hair up on my beard. I like it.
Thanks so much for watching today, everyone. I hope you enjoyed this overview of the Mary Kay beard oil. If you did, please click like and also consider subscribing. I'd really love to have you as part of the channels going forward as I share more beauty tips, tricks, and more. Thanks so much, and I hope you guys have an absolutely amazing day.